If you are a UAE resident planning a trip to Kazakhstan, understanding the visa process of getting a Kazakhstan visa for UAE residents is essential. Kazakhstan offers a seamless visa process for UAE residents, making it an attractive destination for tourism, business, and cultural exploration. This guide covers everything you need to know about obtaining a Kazakhstan visa for UAE residents, including visa types, application procedures, fees, and other specific information. Why visit Kazakhstan from Dubai? Kazakhstan is a stunning Central Asian country known for its breathtaking landscapes, modern cities, and rich cultural heritage. Whether you're looking to explore the futuristic architecture of Nur Sultan, Astana, the bustling city life of Almaty, or the natural beauty of Charan Canyon, Kazakhstan has something for every traveler. Do UAE residents need a visa for Kazakhstan? Yes, UAE residents require a Kazakhstan visa, unless they hold a passport that qualifies for visa-free entry. However, Kazakhstan has simplified its visa process for UAE residents, making it easier to obtain a visa through an online or embassy application. Types of Kazakhstan visas for UAE residents. 1. Kazakhstan Visit Visa for UAE residents. Ideal for tourists and short-term visitors. Typically valid for 30 to 90 days depending on the type. 2. Kazakhstan Business Visa. For professionals attending business meetings, conferences, or trade-related activities. Can be single or multiple entries. 3. Kazakhstan Transit Visa. Required if you are transiting through Kazakhstan en route to another destination. Generally valid for 5 days. Kazakhstan Visa Requirements for UAE residents. To apply for a Kazakhstan visa from the UAE, applicants must meet the following requirements: valid passport, completed visa application form, passport-sized photographs, flight itinerary, hotel booking or invitation letter, bank statements, travel insurance, employment documents, medical certificate. Kazakhstan visa processing time for UAE residents. The Kazakhstan visa processing time varies based on the application method. A visa 5 to 7 working days. Embassy visa 7 to 15 working days. During peak travel seasons, processing times may be longer, so it is advisable to apply well in advance. Common reasons for Kazakhstan visa rejection. While Kazakhstan visas for UAE residents are generally easy to obtain, some applications may be rejected due to incomplete or incorrect documents. Ensure all information is accurate and complete. Insufficient financial proof. Bank statements should reflect stable financial status. Invalid travel insurance. Coverage must be valid for the entire stay. Criminal record. Applicants with previous visa violations or criminal records may be denied entry. Tips for a successful Kazakhstan visa application. Apply early. Submit your application at least 2 to 3 weeks before travel. Ensure accuracy. Double-check all documents and application details. Follow embassy guidelines. Visa requirements may change, so check with the embassy before applying. Use professional assistance. Consider seeking help from a visa service provider to avoid complications. Obtaining a Kazakhstan visa for UAE residents is a straightforward process when all requirements are met. Whether you're traveling for tourism, business, or family visits, understanding the international visa process ensures a hassle-free experience. Indian, Pakistani, and Filipino expats residing in the UAE can also apply using similar procedures, with minor variations in requirements. By planning, ensuring all documents are complete, and applying on time, you can explore the beauty of Kazakhstan with ease. Contact TravNook if you want seamless visa assistance for Kazakhstan.